Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can reset Instagram Explore page on your Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your Instagram app, then you have to go to your profile. So after that you have to go to on this three dot bar icon, you have to click on it. After that you have to scroll all the way down. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after that you have to find the option called suggested content, like here, suggested content. Then you have to click on interested. Then you will find the videos that you Instagram thought you are interested. Then you have to click the video and click on this three dot bar icon. After that you have to click on not interested, and you can choose pretty much any of those options. Then you have to go back and click on search, and after that you have to click on search again. And if you have anything here, just like this, if you have any search history here, you have to click on see all and clear all. Then you have to confirm it again. Then you are ready to go. Now your explore page will be reset on your Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.